Yo, what's up YouTube? Hey, so I know I have not been uploading videos. That's because my computer messed up. Well, not my computer, but like the software. But my computer is old, so I think it's time to upgrade my computer or laptop. I want to get a desktop now so I can have more power to, edit videos, Photoshop, and all that good stuff. But I know I haven't updated you guys, but I did sell my GTI about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, about 3 weeks ago now. So I've been searching for a new project, and I found it. So today we're gonna go pick it up, and I'm gonna take you guys along. And I'm pretty sure you guys gonna love this new project. I cannot wait till I go over there and pick it up. We do have the trailer at home. I mean, it runs and drives, but you guys will see what I mean. It's just a little protection because I don't know what's wrong with the car, but all I know is it runs and drives, and so that's all good for me. That's a good hit start. But yeah, so let's go to U-Haul, go get the trailer, and then from there we're gonna go pick up the car. See you guys there.
Perfect.
Alright guys, so I already went inside, got my paperwork done. I got the title and the keys. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Woo-wee. Here you go. There's a new project right here. I got the keys. I'm just waiting for the forklift driver to bring it out. I cannot wait to show you guys this new project. It's gonna be so freaking badass, and it's gonna be a fun project. So let me get inside this truck because it's like 110 degrees out here. So we had issues loading up the car, but because the forklift driver left it a little bit, like this rear wheel was right over here, and we couldn't put the strap on, but we pushed it. It's on the dolly now. So yeah, guys, there it is. This is a new project. It's a 2011 Nissan 370Z. It's gonna be a fun project. I'll talk about it more once we get home because it's sunny. I want to get out of here. So we're at the house now, and I started working on this, trying to remove this glue. As you can see, it's like super sticky, and it had glue all over this side right here, down to here, on the side. Last night I removed some, most of it. As you can see, this is just tape, which I'm gonna remove with this. I bought this from AutoZone. And it seems to work well, but not the best. You have to do like several coats on it. And so I'm gonna remove this today, and then this little piece right here. And as you can see right here, it's kind of dirty. Well, the whole car is filthy. It's been parked for several months, that whole part. As you can see, there's dirt everywhere. But yeah, I'm gonna start working on this. Hopefully I can remove most of it. But I'm gonna try to get this off, and then hopefully once I do that, once I do the full detail like we did on the previous videos for the other cars, hopefully it should come back to life. Alright, so I'm pretty much done removing all the glue. This is how it looks now. And as you can tell, this car is super dirty. But we'll detail it later on. So now my next step is I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the interior, because for some reason they left the window down at Copart, and Copart is super dusty, and I got some dust got inside the car. I still have to clean up all this mess from the previous owner. Like, what the hell? What the hell is this? Looks like that one guy from Goku. Oh, can show you guys that. But oh, it's a battery. Oops. Oh shit. So this is, oh shit. Let me see if I can get it. All right. So this is a tape that they put on the car, and over time with the heat, Texas heat, this is what you get, but on the car. So that's no good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys the interior before, like the before and after. I'm probably gonna have to remove these seats just so I can detail these seats also. Oh shit. Damn. It's like super tight to get inside this car. But yeah, as you can see, it's a lot of dust. The whole dashboard. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, look, it comes with a nice stereo. But like over here, I guess like this is like a little amplifier for the speakers. And so I guess the previous owner removed most of his equipment because the stereo, I mean, it lights up and everything turns on, but there's no audio through the speakers. And this is from the battery bracket. I'll just put it here to the side for now. Oh yeah, luckily the airbag the dashboard airbag did not deploy, so that saved me a lot of money right there. This car is filthy. Like, I was gonna leave the cleaning for last, but knowing me, like I just can't stand watching a car being this dirty. So I'm gonna get to it, clean all the dust. And as you can see right here, this is where he had the amplifier hooked up. Here's your positive, there's your ground. Your this goes to the stereo, your remote, RCAs. But yeah, I mean, this car is pretty filthy, as you can see. And oh yeah, this is mine. Don't I wish it would come with the car, but it did come with the manual and all this stuff. I mean, this car is pretty much still under warranty. It's got 47,000 miles, and it did come with the spare tire. Let me see if I can show you guys. There you go. So that's a plus. What else? Oh yeah, the engine bay is like super dirty. Oh yeah, and the battery was dead. I had to take it to AutoZone and get it charged. But so far so good. I mean, the car starts right up. I mean, as you can see, that damage was not very, it wasn't bad at all. What I do have to order though is like this support for this side, because this one broke. Oh, and the window washer too, like this little thing. And that side got bent a little bit. No big deal. It's just this bracket got pushed in pretty much, but no frame damage at all. So this car, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. I do have to find this steering wheel with the airbag, but oh yeah, and then those seat belts locked, so I have to either send them out to get it reset or buy new ones. And I was just checking these brakes, dude. Like, I believe they're Brembos, 2 pistons, pretty big. And whoever drove this car, the previous owner, got some serious curb rash. They must have loved curbs. Cause goddamn. But yeah. So the only damage is in the front. Here we go with the curb rash again. Must have been a Mustang owner. Went from a Mustang to a Nissan. Alright, so I'm gonna get to cleaning the interior at least. Try to organize it a little bit. And then we'll see. I'll show you guys the after. It's gonna look way better.